Ce slim idiot. Compare. Sa force, sa tôle point rance pour les aliments bizarres t'es trop faible. Osmixcan. Il t'est assez fort pour transformer cette plan pointe anti.re en un des points sordres. 315. S'il avait pu absorber le plat que GPR par, la Terre aurait été en danger. HM001. Cette plan pointeux. Elle n'a pas de mana, mais le sol est fertile. Est-ce pourra que les slims sont si faibles la magie? Le sol est assez fertile. Si c'est le cas, alors, Osmixcan ce sera bien pour l'utiliser comme terre agricole. Bien. Puisque je me suis des points barras. Du slim sur la terre sans propri.terre, cela ne fait-il pas de moi le propri.terre? Je dois laisser une preuve de ma propri.t, donc je vais laisser une marque ici. Je devrais aussi faire une porte qui m.ne au sous-sol. Devrais-je la faire avec Nabi pendant que je suis libre? Bureau de la branche du secteur Isaac. Les monstrontes et radicus.s et la fissure ferme.e je me sens tellement bien oxy. Responsable de la branche 000. Le poison qui élimine les slims. Pouvons-nous et les pointudier nous devrions utiliser ce poison comme une arme militaire c'est là des points couvertes du 6.clé. Tant que je connais les inguers.dian utilise.s, je peux le recré.er si tu me PR sente juste au cr.ateur. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire par recré.er? Pardon. Les inguers.dian utilise.s gazer du lac, sel, un peu de poivre, et de l'ail comme Osca Cosmixcan pardon. Tant que j'y suis, je vais te dire comment il a tes fabriques. Tu le remues bien tout en le faisant bouillir dans l'eau, c'est juste. C'est vrai, le poison n'est qu'un plat. Un plat ridicule nomme. Destruction du Skygazer du lac. Est-ce qu'on peut vraiment attraper des slims avec un plat 3100010100000 chèque de notation Beko 920000101010101010101010101010101010 Erreur GG. J'y ai point crieré je ne sais pas dans le rapport. Ouais, afera. Yopa. 100. Comprends-tu maintenant la compétence du professeur? Tous les pains comptants ont-ils un bon sens? Comment as-tu su que c'est .li? Au retourné. Ce n'est pas parce que je suis un des pointecteurs. Il n'y a personne de plus facile lire que toi, responsable de la branche. Tu t'es un expert, je n'ai pas cette compétence. De toute façon, je comprends pourquoi tu as dit tout à son sujet. Mon toi, tu me comprends enfin. Ed. Toi, pour TREON.e, me entend comme, je le trouve une personne attirante. Ses avant-bras étaient incroyables pendant qu'il pêchait, en comparant la capacité de leadership, la div.rance est aussi large que le fosse. Entre le ciel et la terre. 74 de qui parles-tu? Si tu compares la capacité de leadership, il n'y a aucune preuve qu'il soit meilleur que moi encore H il y a une div.rance entre la capacité R.soudre des probles.mais et la capacité dirigée. Ah, je ne te compare pas lui, je le comparais Baek Kangyuk. Ah, c'est à. Eh bien, n'importe qui peut être un meilleur leader que lui. You're in the top 3 most reliable people in know, branch manager, the secretary general. R-Right. ES. A reliable person. 172 ES completely different from teacher. Cosmixcan et Venso, ES a reliable person, no. The difference is like that between healing and horror movies. The difference is more like a Rite warrior and a dark hero. Isaac secretary general Jouyukjin. A call-irted person who is animin available to him. Decision making ability that HAS never failed him in a game of chess. Reflex that make you spinkle. These are the 3 phrases used to describe him. On the day the secretary general and YO Sungo meet. 00. He don't have the confidence to handle it. Look here, minute. I'm giving you special authority as a branch manager. What is it? From now on, don't give me information about the return YO Sungo. There's no need to share a report. What kind of authority is that? Are you telling me to keep this information to myself and die? If you know, the secretary general will also know. So my team, ignorance is bliss. So keep that in mind and give me today's report. Ugh. Today he passed by the store what? The store. Odispink. He told him not to report it to me. He said on an ordinary object from the basement. I'm reporting this because I'm afraid this might spray. Ah. Hear nothing. Until that day when the waters of the East Sea run der YTL.n. Et singing the Korean national anthem and Mount Bike du Zan is worn away. Gosh. Is a Baek Kangyuk. Why is so childish? Anyway. What was that in the basement? Comics Osmix quand I barely said it, but it was like. A red boss. Warrior S restaurant basement Jivan by formé collé à Grenato, ou up top the pudding slim was being grazed here. It's a pursue being that max sweet pudding in return for leftover. There was also another slim here. G getting this far was fin, but now what do I do? Great two-dimensional weapon formé. Altoug Formula 0S anti-body oxidized after consuming Alexkai Gazeres destruction it survived by splitting itself and adjusting. It came through the gate Sungu opened. Good. There's something that looks similar to me. If I absorb it, ILL return to normal. ILL absorb all of you. Why aren't I getting bigger? Even to my body changed color. This pink. Is there a useful skill can copy? What is this? Simple division. Et if it take this much energy, it should be an extraordinary skill. That pudding. It's something you eat. Cosmix can. You crossed over through the gate made. 71 live at that. Auskied. More than that. It seem you've eaten or pudding slim. Bu, seeing you're still small, it seem you've lost your multiplicative ability. En un and no way. Ah, since you don't have vocal core, you can't speak, can you? Anyway, no matter how calm usually I am, I'm feeling a bit pissed that the pudding slim is gone. There's no room for sympathy. ILL kill you in one blow. Eek. What is this? This smell. Is it? That pudding. This fragrance. Is it coming from the pudding? Let's see. Osmix can apple. Apple mint. No. This is a flavor I've never experienced on Earth or Terra. Is it special because this guess from another world? What should I do with this? It does taste kit a bit better than that of the preview pudding slim. Bu, no matter how we look at it, it really lives up to its name as a slim de mon king. And from a moral standpoint, I can't just let it live. 00 you're debating whether or not to kill me, aren't you? Alright, I've decided. First, let's take a look at your memory. The Ring of Time. ILL make my decision after war. A godly tier item. That allows you to glimpse into your target's memory. Is going to read my memory. T Cosmix can. 00. YS est taking his sweet time, this pink. I'm scared to descry. A few days later. There are quite a few smelly food through the world, aren't there? Like China's stinky tofu, Japan's kusaya, and Korea's fermented skate. It's similar to that. The food here stinks, but there's something about it that draws you in once you eat it. Isn't it reason enough to eat something because it tastes good? 7164. It has nothing to do with the taste. It's impossible to stand the texture nor the smell. Skish, ou, boss. What is this? Xoxo my new employee come freshené. It smell nice, right? Hearing you say that, it's definitely a floral fragrance. That make it seem like we on vacation in a warm country down south ZHZK. Ah ouais, that is not it. Oh that is a monster, isn't it? Whatever you call it, that is a slim. You could also call it that. If it multiply, it'll be a grave problem. I can't overlook this a first order. Cosmic can. Aimons. Alright. This freaking retourné. Et won't simply stand by if he shoots the slim AS raising. Hug. No, he must say what must be said. Behind me is the god of the sword and victory. Decided not to add in bizarre food because it doesn't sound cool. Boss. À first order, this is unacceptable. To release a monster inside a restaurant. It's completely different from having a shape-shifting cat. HM, I guess you're right. 3 is there some sort of solution? Do you really think there's a solution? Seriously. He waited because he thought you guys would know. It's not that there isn't a solution. Sans just what exactly is this slim? If it was a normal slim, UTS body would be acidic, but this one is harmless. On top of that, it even smell and feel good. Let go. Do you even know who I am, treating me like a puppy? He removed everything harmful from UTS body overnight. Ici. If that is the case, then there's a solution. Let's report one of your ability a faming. Taming. It's the ability to tame and the monsters. I don't think it'll be seen as strange since you're already raising a shape-shifting cat. What is the name of this slim? Yumshik. That is my name. It's a slim, UTS classification is for combat. You may even receive a fostering subsidy if you register it a combat monster, 15 IG but you may be recruited if a get form. I don't really want to be Caledon. Then let's forge the document and label it a F-grade slim. Can you do that? 00 It's alright. The branch manager left all matters regarding you to me, you see. A 9 Osmix Camp. Et probably figured everything out about Yumshik with just a glance. But it seemed doesn't want to know anything more. Yo Yumshik. That kind of name. Then ILL report the slimest grade AF Yumshik LV. Transformé. Slim de mon king there won't be any problem running your business. Thank you so much. Don't mention it. Branch manager, I think they're plotting something here. You want some pudding? What do I do? I'd love some, if you're offering. Here's coffee, nya. Ah, fuck UTS I trie stopping demons. IVE donne 9. Ce TH let's see, today's Hunter menuis. Hunter menu only for inter. Today's special différents dish are available depending on the available. Ingrédients that day. L'insteco, it's lamb steak. ILL take 3 serving of lamb steak. C'est 40 alright, nia. You're a glutton, aren't you, nia. I'm someone who has returned after living in Terra for alpha year. Shelly c'est bizarre food are no longer at challenge, but a part of my daily life now. Aucun, how magnifique, nia. Faux. Then, just for today, ILL even give you a freebie, nia. Et, sûr. What a witty cat. I can't believe they come here on his own free will to eat something that doesn't taste good. Comics quand the people of this world are all wade. It's here. Yeah. This is it. The fast stranger with each bit. On top of that, compared to Terra's cuisine. This fast delicious. He almost died after taking just one bit tug. Or am I able to eat it so well? Boss, we here. Welcome. Hello, boss. Come on in, nya. Boss, we they like to order. Here too. We they like to order too. OFF people just keep flooding in. You pink. Don't eat out, eat home mad food. Just wait until I recover my body. However, selon a Sungo Sile de TS skill, it said that Yumshik's body was never recovered. Zom. I don't know if it's because I'm in a good mood, but the alcohol tastes great today. Ah, it was nothing. Osmix quand you've been through a low. It seems everything is going back to how it was before. You'll be receiving some compensation from the Get Disaster Restoration Fund. It's to support environ mental development and to compensate for suspension of operation. It isn't much, but it'll help. 1111 really. Vol I'm not doing this because of our personal connection. You have a right to receive it. It's our fault for not sending help when you needed it. Thank you, branch manager. It was kit a rug time. Oh, it's okay. I understand, Elder. Everything will be okay now. Isaac Korean branch Isaac. En official dispatch order was Jivan. Really. It's real. Look. PN Avasnia UPES Dr. Isaac. Official issuance for the mobile armored team. It's real. Comics quand Osmix quand I can't believe it. I didn't think they would complete. Everyone came back half dead after attempting the bizarre food challenge, going so far to take sick leave. We were solo on people that is a request for help out of Angers. Budeire really sending help. M. Someon who took sick leave. Babusty, isn't it a good thing? We finally getting help. Will he finally be able to go on a real vacation? Where do he go? Bali. Hawaii. No, the Secretary General isn't like that. The word at the most is loss. Followed by inefficiency. For him to send people. There's most definitely a catch. Do you know which mobile armored team is coming? That Absolute Victory is a Kit Carter of Full Metal Heroes. What? They're the best of the best. Why are they sending such a unir? Jinoway. Did they find out about YO Sungu.S existence? YO Sungu is a retourné au camp comme en unprecedented disaster. Someon who far exceeds the power of the first order. A nuclear bomb. If he had sent them to subdue imminent emergency, said that would make sense, bu. Ah naive. Branch manager. If our superior are doing what he think they're doing, we have to stop them. LHwa. No matter how elite the armored force are, they won't be able to stop en existence like YO Sungu. They miscalculated. Do I have to talk to my superior? M1. I can't think of a method based that. Comics Osmix can does the Secretary General know something he don't? No, probably not. 000 there's no way. Une secretly planted a spy at the restaurant. Off OBHO, Kizakug. I can't get used to this damn weather. 1, 2. 3 dit today's menu, Western style pork cutlet mushroom soup. A Wilda expected, athlete are different. Et at it in a 2-bit. TQT off. It's not just because I'm an athlete actually, I think you're right. Is it possible to have another one? Of course. This time, ILL make a law. Yes. Please do. 9. Why is there a slim in the restaurant? Is it helping out? What a funny guy. There's also a refreshing song coming off TS body. Bu. No matter how wide, a slim is a slim. He can't let anything leave even a tiny scratch on a. What is up with that human? Cosmix can. I'm working hard because he promised to protect me if he did. Il y en a du man know legend how to take care of the store. 000. So what is with that guy? What did he do wrong? Dispunk. Who talked you to glare at customer like that? He didn't look at him first. He didn't do it first. Are you uncomfortable with slim? Yes, arm little thing. This it's instinctively putting me on guard. It's so bouncy you can't even use it a basketball. Et ag. Et 0 please don't do that kind of thing in front of Anna. I think she'll copy you. HM, how troublesome. Everyone is on guard when they see it. Ah, it's safe. 0 I'm the one who isn't safe. TS.N pour slim. It be best to pull the slim away for the time being. Why? The mobile armored team is coming here. Osmix can. Mobile armored team. What is that? It's probably not the capital mechanized infantry division. TL.N one of the 6 mechanized infantry division in the Republic of Korea Army. Tasked with covering approach to Seoul from North Korea and counterattack operation Wikipedia. ILL explain. Should I give you the long explanation or the short explanation? Since I'm free, give me the long explanation. Alright. Then ILL start from their establishment. Awakener. Inter. Human with disability. Huntsmen who kill monsters from gates and fissures. They're the shields who protect the human race. Budeire law in number. Then, ordinary people started thinking. Can we not fight if we are not awakener? Must we simply continue to be protected? We want to fight too. Use a key needed weapon that could pierce a monster SAT. An armor that could protect their body. Cyberdin, the global leader in scientific development, responded to this request. Cyber End, a result, a single-use weapon of war was created. D. Wargear a single-use robot, something a human read and fight with. Yes. At first, it was designated as a manned aerial vehicle, but it was changed to a manned vehicle due to problem with blocked communication in area with high level of electromagnetic wave. Wow, so cool. Osmic scan. But what do those people coming here have to do with the Slim? Well, the Wargear is equipment with limitation. Ah. If Slim get into the machine, they'll be defenseless. 00. Many people were caught like that. FL because of that, the mobile armored team at Slim to the extreme. HM. That makes sense. Isakis. CCCC. TH Mobile Armored Team. IAM Team Leader OANA. Nice to meet you. Amli Jungun, the Branch Manager. MD8BN. Outside the Isaac Korean Branch Isaac Code. My name is OANA, Captain of the 6th Mobile Armored Team. Nice to meet you, Amli Jungun, the Korean Branch Head. Osmic Kansmic. Wow. I like strong women. It's a waste for such a cool person to be a soldier and already married. First order HAS higher rank. It make you feel discouraged, doesn't it? One out. It won't be fun for you if you reach the third out. Superstar Kido. Cosmic Scan. I'm glad you're here. IVE prepared an accommodation for you, so make yourself at home. F. Thank you. Is there anything left to do? No, it's free time. If you want, why don't you take a look around the city? It's alright if somewhere you want to go. Somewhere you want to go. Heard there's restaurant nearby where they make dish out of monster byproduct. I never mentioned it. Neither did I. I haven't either. I've always wanted to try a dish made from monsters at least once in my life. I heard it taste especially terrible, et Alomar. TH that is correct. It's really terrible. I don't really recommend it, but I like bizarre food. I've even tried Kusaya and Surstre.miming too. Menu that is pretty impressive. However, simply put, smelly cuisine and monster cuisine are quite different. And if they have slim too. I really want to try that as well. This is serious. I must stop her from going no matter what. Inaz. I think he has handled Slim before. Is that so? That is great. Then, I'll be on my way now. Branched. There's a Slim at Warrior's restaurant. Say no. Es resin a Slim for consumption, right? Didn't he report it because it was good? Well. There's a mutant Slim has been using an employee, too. Ouais. You should have reported that. You said not to report it, did you not, Branched? Still, you should know to report something important like that yourself. Are you telling me to report things to you or not? IAWN Cosmic Scan. The communication disconnect sur his SAD. 3 that is why he said you had to talk more, didn't he? You shut up. I expected, she's here. Hello, Nya. Oh my, what a cute cat. You're doing great, Nabi. What about you, chic? Hug. It's hard. It's so hard. Slim can change TS appearance if it gatter TS strong and concentrate. He changed my appearance like he told me to, but, Max, UG. I think heard I'll splash just now. De dear customer, Nya. The Slim cuisine you're looking for is only offered for dessert. Like ice cream or pudding. And there's a KVA, Nya. Menu à KVA. Does it not taste good? It's delicious, Nya. Instead, it's incredibly high in calorie. You'll become a pig, Nya. Phew. I nearly got cooked. The more I think about it, the stranger it get. Why do I have to hide right in front of that customer? Osmix can't I just stay in the basement? Why do I have to hide while working? In any case, I can only maintain this form for 20 seconds. Let's do it quickly and it again. No it stuff. Hey, you're a slim, aren't you? Off. Mola slim. Eek. Osmixcan. Slim. A Battlefield somewhere. Hug. Ish damn it. Is everyone alright? Yes, somehow. Yes, team leader. OHS 18CCI00. The slim is entering through the cockpit. Well it's trying to melt me, save me. Got it. Bishop. Just wait a bit. Raise output to the maximum. We need to find it and rip the glove off of him. A passenger cannot get out of the war gear on their own. Bishop. Cook. 000000. The war gear is pilot. A civilian. There are no means to resist the slim that HS infiltrated the body of the machine. Slim. ILL kill you. Dear customer. That is there to cut the donkatsu. Not to be used as a weapon. Scon. Y'all read the order story from Taeji. Osmixcan. So I understand why she's acting like this. But does she not realize might have a story too? Young-Shik wasn't a slim from the beginning. After the fissure opened, monsters attacking civilians became a common occurrence. There was a slim that attacked a child. And promptly fisted. But this slim was unique. It could absorb bit of the knowledge and characteristic of ETS victim through consumption. Journey's scientists began capturing slim after this discovery, and they began performing various experiments to create a weapon to destroy the fissure. The problem was the slim began developing self-awareness. The first slim to gain self-awareness became the first sacrifice. The slim felt on the pain from the cruel experiments being performed on it. But it couldn't feel resentment nor hate. Those emotions could only be felt if they were taught. The only thing it knew was to eat. That is why Young-Shik ate everything. After seeing such memory, he couldn't label him en assailant. Young-Shik is still just a child. Et need an adult. Not those scientists who tell him to eat and kill everything. What are you doing to mem kid? Osmixcan. Your kid. This slim is your kid. Es a tamed monster who has been officially registered. Is there a problem? TCH. He can't fight here. Even if I'm confident in my combat ability with a knife. He can't win against an Awakene. Of how do we kill him? 000. There's no weak point. This is impossible. Do you know what it means for a mobile armored team member? To see a slim. Do you know what it means to attack a tamed monster? In front of a monster tamer. ILL give you compensation. So that slim mull kill it, and he should let it slide. For a joke, that wasn't very funny. Miss, ILL only let things slide twice. 74 There's no third strike. What are you gonna do if you get a third strike? If you're curious, try me. Hug. K. I'm the mobile armored team's leader. If you get on my bad side because of this trivial matter, it'll be hard for you to continue running this restaurant. And then what about you? If you get on my bad side because of this, you'll be put in a difficult position. No more than that. I'd like it if we stopped this war of nerve. Is she crazy? Stop it. He got too worked up. To think he held a knife in front of civilian and two tamed monster, a slim at that. 1000. He apologies. I've been rude until now. Osmixcan apologizing only with word. ILL pay for everyone here's food. Only if you pay for additional order as well. Alright. That could have gone terribly wrong. Did she not receive a separate order regarding the return? Is it because she was preoccupied with the operation until now? If it wasn't for my bodyguarding work, he would have warned her. Osmixcan. That was so tiring, nya. Buemer. Warrior, if you knew she would eat slim so much, wouldn't it have been better to eat him, nya. Young chick isn't completely innocent, Bues done nothing wrong here, so why should he eat? More than that, this is my restaurant. If she doesn't like it, she doesn't have to come. Then why are you making him turn into a human one moment? Then it's the next. All while working, nya. That is just training. Training, nya. The kid who could only transform for 10 seconds managed to stay transformed for more than a minute today. Danger is a good driving force. That was the reason, nya. Mr. Warrior is a Spartan, nya. He must be more tired than usual because he was so anxious today. 44. Shelly had to sleep too. Et said my kid earlier. My kid. Et, LL00ZZ. Cosmix Canosmix Can Oh, ugh. Manga Galaxy Mo, my back. Why is it hurting so much? Well, it's about time he get a new bed. Nya. Anyway, it seems like this guy has started opening a bit too much now. The menu is western style pork cutlet, so there's not much to prepare, and most of the hunter are busy, so. Manga Galaxy.me88. It should be okay today. Nabi and Young-sik are here too, so he need to make breakfast. Manga Galaxy.me there's no rice. We also finished all the soup. I'm getting tired of pork cutlet. Because of a mistake in order of supply, they've been sending only pork cutlet for several days. A simple breakfast menu using pork cutlet, so that it doesn't bore me. Le Manga Galaxy.me pork cutlet sandwich. There are many types. With various tastes, and with different preparation methods. You can adjust the amount of sauce. And add ingredient. Truly the freedom of food. J'ai Manga Galaxy.me I remember the first time he made a sandwich for Theo. Over 10 years ago, Terra. What is this dish's origin background? Theodore, the elf archer of the hero party. Background. Every dish has a history. Manga Galaxy me such a great dish must have a remarkable history. But it's just putting something between two slices of bread. Exactly. That free-spirited ID. Vodeate it exude a free soul, unbound by anything. As far I know, it was made by Someone called the Earl of Sandwich en Earl. Damn it. A bourgeois. He was a diligent civil servant who was so busy that he made it to it with one hand. You can't just label him a bourgeois. Manga Galaxy.me. A dish made to work. Let's pretend he didn't hear that. What do you mean? Pretend you didn't hear it. From now on, this dish's name is Theodore. A free dish, it's fitting to name it after me. Hey, do you know what copyright is? What is that? Tis Manga Galaxy.me you really don't know, who? Fantasy worlds are always like this, damn it. Finn, you red elf. Do I you wish? Surprisingly, after Theo actually started calling sandwich Theodore. Not long after Theodore sandwich. Spread through Terra. Now, Theo is the god of rebellion and revolution. And those sandwich have become an offering to the god of Terra. Cold sandwich using it. First, fry the pork cutlet. Then place cabbage on the bread Manga Galaxy.me. Done. And plus the sauce de pork cutlet on top. 2. He definitely left it around here. Found it. Méo brillant. Heroes from other worlds generally dislike Terra as food. This is the forbidden gourmet made for those heroes. Manga Galaxy.me. Despite being Terra as food, make it amazingly delicious. It's delicious with eaten raw and getastier with edge. A precious sauce that even he don't know how to make, ou. Gul Manga Galaxy.me and it's even more special since it was sans by Nabies Grand Moteur. Méo brillant, when even a 2 year roll one is hard to come by GP a 33 year roll one. The problem is, it make you gain a lot of weight. It's high in calorie but delicious. Méo brillant proved to be a super high calorie sauce. But it still have the effect of the pancetta at the last time. Done. Meow. Manga Galaxy.me. What a delicious smell. It should be fine, right? What is that smell? Sniff sniff 100. Mangagalaxy.me. What can food smell like this? Well, you see. I don't know what it is, but please let me have some. Please. Mangagalaxy.me. It tastes good but not a good it smell. Well, that is because it's just an ordinary sandwich without meobriand. I can't serve the dish that made Nabi and Yoon sick fan from how good it was. Mangagalaxy.me. Next time, I'll have to watch the amount. Shame. Cake. Mangagalaxy.me. Says what is that look for? Do you have something to say? Well, you see. Pure. Something really interesting happened at the association yesterday. Isaac Korea branch Isaac. Branch chief, are you okay? Mangagalaxy.me. Okay. My stomach hurts so much I feel like dying. To think another lunatic would come based Kamyuk. Do they have no common sense? No matter how much our gear pilot at slim. How can you point a knife in a retourné store? Steve is the team leader of the president's direct team. There must be some meaning to his visit here. Of course, there is a meaning. This is the president's own test. A test. Yes, his eyes are everywhere in the world, and probably knew that there was a slim in that store. Mangagalaxy.me. Then. What kind of test was it? It's a test for both team leader Oana and me. A stern reprimand form for not reporting information to the Iger UPS. And for team leader Oana, it's probably a promotion test. Do not reporting is a recent thing. There's no way he could have gathered information about the slim in such a short time. That is why the president is scary. Team leader Oana is competing for the team leader position with Maxim Vysotsky and caused this incident. Then with this event the promotion. Mangagalaxy.me. It's severe. That is. You know too, branch chief. That is. You know too, branch chief. You mean because the Rusban was attacked by a slim and ended up with a free face 11 that is too blatant. Even if half of her Rusban's face was free, and even if she witnessed the death of 5 team members up close, there is no excuse. Being swayed by emotion disqualifier a commandé. A commandé should be able to distinguish between public and private matters. It's not just one or two lives hanging on their shoulder. Understood. Then what is the disposition for team leader Oana? A 1 month salary reduction for not being familiar with the return response manual. And 1 week of home duty. He will take care of it. Offside. At this rate, even those who are here will run away, President. It's too harsh. Why do such inefficacy things? Why, inefficacy. The President wouldn't do that. For that reason, a 1 month salary reduction, and 1 week of home duty. Does it make you happy that someone else is unfortunate? Yes. Listening to the story, he thought of something, about Aina Susban. Free face. Calling him that is inappropriate. 77.24 right, why are you asking about him? Mangagalaxy.me. Even with today's advanced medicine, can they fix him? They say even prosthetic limbs are widely available now. Wound regeneration HS also developed. Whether he is lucky, or unlucky. Well. Lucky. Usually, wargear pilots have no chance of surviving an attack by a slim. But he survived. Did he awaken? Mangagalaxy.me. Yes, the ability the gained was regeneration is link can regenerate even if they are cut off, UTS that powerful. I think he know. But, yes, unfortunately, he was unlucky. The save point. For those with regenerative ability, a regeneration point is set the moment they awaken their ability. Once that point is set, it tend to maintain that state continuously. His save point is after his face melted, right? Yes, so surgery or mechanical implant are used. ILL go and see him. Are you saying he can be treated? 17 if it's not impossible. Mangagalaxy me. What is so charming about someone who made a fuss in someone else's house? Hey, Acting superior and treating people like amateur, serve him right. If it were me, he'd never help. Poncho. You bra grow up. Manga Galaxy. Me you bastard, did you just eat me? Itch. I understand. Pause. I am a supporter of revenge. So I understand how I feel, and I want to help. Revenge. That is not like you, sir. People say revenge is futile and doesn't bring anything, but that is not entirely true. Put yourself in her shoes, let's say if a butterfly get attacked by a slim and ends up in a miserable state. Pu. Snov he probably won't forgive the slim ether. And they are warriors who protected her homeland while he was away, right? Also he should repay them at least. I am making a dish called a new beginning right now. Mangagalaxy.org. The first ingredient is the fruit of the Cusco tree. Ayama al to be taste very bitter, it has an effect that clear your mind, intera, it's used as a stimulant instead of coffee. Next is the killermancy. 000 it's a caroc known for its incredibly sour taste, if electricity is flowing through it. And it's actually real electricity. Killermancy has the property of growing when struck by lightning, so fully grown killermancy carry a strong electric charge. Aliste if eaten without preparation, it's strong enough to knock out even a decent monster in one go. The cooking method for a new beginning is to grind these two ingredients and boil them. Boss. What you're making now? Is it really that? Momo sans mangagalaxy.org have you tried it before? I've been living in Terra for half a year, of course I've tried it. If it that, it might cure him, but it's certainly effective, that is for sure. The taste of that stuff is really potion. An item everyone has heard of at least once, that restores. However, during rogue adventures, mangagalaxy.org flask tend to break. If you get poisoned while disarming a trap, FTT. If you get cursed while fighting the demon King's army, in such unexpected situation, if you don't have a potion. HP it's all over. You died. Mage who can using magic are too arrogant. Having no means to recover. That is the worst. Yeah, it's really the worst. That is what a shittle Terra is. But seeing you're alive, I guess you found some sort of solution. Yeah, sure did. Damn it. That is the answer. New beginning. A natural remedy discovered by the Pilgrim of Terra. With ingredients easily obtained from farm and a simple manufacturing method. It provide amazing effect like slight health recovery and removal of various debuff. Mangagalaxy.org with its convenience and great efficacy, the people of Terra are saved. May if that could happen. Just like other Terra food, it tastes disgustingly bad. And that is not all you fly away. Literally, you fly away. Whether it's a buff or a debuff, the person who eat it fly away. Despite being just a dish, it has physical power, it blow you into the sky according to its status effect. When he ate it without knowing, he really thought he was going to die. Why didn't you just die then? Ah, sorry. My true feeling just. What? Or, anyway, with this dish, you just not blow away only harmful effect, but also get beneficial effect. I expected of fantasy. The regeneration ability is a kind of passive skill, so it will only stop working temporarily. If we perform surgery or healing magic during that time, it's literally a new beginning ici, team leader Oaena will be pleased. But how do you plan to deal with the shock after eating it? Why should you worry about that? Pardon, shouldn't they be punished for causing trouble in the restaurant on their own? Ilolol if that wasn't the case, he would have given them an elixir from the start. Boss. He can't tell if you're being petty or generous on team. Ah. He shouldn't mess with the boss. Isaac a sector branch Isaac. Underground War Gear Maintenance Room. Chief Kyle. Sans mangagalaxy.org everything is ready. Ah, yes. War Gear Maintenance Chief Kyle Real Name Kim Guinam. Using an alias due to the unpleasant sound of his name. Good, we have 23 hours left until the War Gear demonstration. Let's be careful with the final work. Yes, Chief. I'm sorry about what happened with your wife. Sorry indeed. Well, it's a shame her promotion was put on hold. Anyway, she sure knows how to hold a grudge. It's been so long since he got attacked by a slim, and she's still like this. well, don't be so caught you. It's not like my face got messed up just yesterday or the day before. How can I not be caught you, chief? Is that so? Well, try not to be. Now, go check on the high output generator. And check the motion control too. Yes, understood. Sigh. Pull yourself together, Waena. If you don't, the remaining team members will be in danger too. Amush I'd like to return to duty and help out. warmangagalaxy.org. Sigh. Stop thinking about other things and focus on work. Alright, everyone. The first step is crucial. This demonstration is to show a sector citizens that the war gear is safe. Let's make it a perfect success. Be careful of safety accident. Yes, chief. Thanks few. Excuse me for the sudden intrusion. You're Kim Guinam, Waena est suspens, right? It's not Kim Guinam. It's Kyle. Yes, Mr. Kyle. Mangagalaxy.org I came because I have something to give you. Ouais. This person is one of the most influential figure in a sector. Have you come because of my wife's situation? No. It's not unrelated, but today, I came because I have business with you. A sector war gear demonstra. Groror. Few. How many overtime hours have been pulled for this preparation? Well, that is it. I've had quite a few things happen to me too. After preparing a surgeon and a rescue team, you're telling me to drink what is in this. And that will cure my face. Mangagalaxy.me Yes, that is correct. You have nothing to lose, right? It's worth a shot. Thinking he had nothing to lose, he decided to try it. The result was. Mangagalaxy.me. Ugh. What is this taste? It's like boiling mugwort and garlic for 100 years. Kia a bu au car. My face is completely healed. My eyes are back. My wife is very happy. What is the big deal about a strange nickname? Excuse me, chief. AXA. HMPH. Who is the chief? You only know fart explosion Kim Guinam. Are you still upset about the nickname? Oh well, it was awful. So, chief, are you becoming a hunter now? Why would he? You have a regeneration ability, right? And it's incredibly strong. But isn't it a waste for you to be in the maintenance team? Waste. With regenerative powers, what role do you think he'll end up with? A tank, of course. That is the right job. 77 478. I'm the third generation and the only child of the Kim family. Why should he make money by getting beaten up? But the pay is different. You have a child to raise. We are not short on money. The important thing is work-life balance. Work and life balance. We are a double income family. So you have time to relax. Ugh, it must be nice to have that kind of leeway. And do you think he don't know your intention? And no way. If he quitted, you'll become the chief. Isn't that right? He is sharp ever. Alright, enough of that. By the way. What should he send a gift to my savior, the restaurant owner? 0. Tissue is the standard, right? C. Are you going to housewarming? C. It's my fault for asking you, he will ask my wife. Darling 010 xxxx 010 xxxx 14 port 25 le JKL 8 UV 3 def 6 MNO 9 WIS. Honey, it's me. I don't know what to give the restaurant owner a gift. Yes. Oh, that is a great idea. I expected of you, my respect. A few days later, go the bain. Off. A hirt au vent, et HAS kit the eye. Did remember the layout of the kitchen in the main team. With this, we can add bread to the restaurant menu. Come to think of it, why didn't the restaurant avant until now? Well. The thing is, it's hard to explain, but. Oven are actually not that necessary for running a restaurant. En oven it's there to cook the ingredient. 17 du tout OTS nature, it was a lot of energy. Which means, the electricity bill is enormous, so what is different about this one? Just because it's a gift. No, this one is specially made to use magic stones as fuel. You can get magic stones just by defeating monsters. Great if we eat it with magic stones, we can make something even more unappetizing. Right, and you mentioned there were more gifts from Nabi and Yoonsik. Nya. This is exciting. Autonomous lawnmower also serve a high-speed car. When war and along with the letter of apology written by Aena, there was a special shock-absorbing wood-fi vinyl. From Yoonsik. Oz, I like it. Mangagalaxy.me forgive you. HM. The weather is nice and the kids are playing well. Should we just close up the restaurant today? Is a running this place a hobby or what? Opening and closing a please. Hunter's Restaurant revient au cooking is magic and fantasy. Hunter's Restaurant steak plate because of the top management is order to encourage inter to eat here. A delicate fruity aroma and the smell of burning fat. Elasticity dead boons of knife and fork. The owner is flamboyant flan. Skillar a bonus. If you can eat this steak, you might be able to use the Red Dragon S technique. Hunter's Restaurant revient au cooking is magic and fantasy. Hunter's Restaurant skid rice bowl. How much over team have you been working these days? Skid rice bowl that stay true to the basic. The authentic taste that Korean can deny. If you try it with rice, you'll find your bowl empty in no time. Excellent for curing heartburn. So it's recommended for people with a low of anger and evil. A taste that kill one when to eat. Food that cook faster than fast food. Need poison resistance right now. I recommend Grimlock. Of course, if you can handle it. Hunter's Restaurant hot soup. The balance of cheese, mushroom, and garlic is perfect. Handle quantity. Worry about gaining weight. You're not the only one. Delicious food HS 0 calorie. It feel like towing my frozen body by a fireplace in midwinter. A dish that ensure your warmth and recovery. If you eat this dish, you might take off your coat. Developed a review app to promote the restaurant. This is really getting on my nerve. Should we close up and make pizza for dinner? Oh, since we have en vent, freshly baked pizza sounds good. ILL puis on a lot of topping for a change. Pipi. Co pizza. Oh, should I flip the sign to closed? Closed what? Yes. If there's time, J1, would you like to join us? If the boss want to close, who am I to argue? Clowang J1's greatest weakness. Appetite. Cyberdine it Carter basement nucléaire bunker. Dead fart Guy, et good gu. He was always like that when we played game together, the damn bastard. He is drinking that stuff like crazy even though there's no guarantee it will cure him. Of what if it was poisoned? The surgery was successful. Success was achieved. So, will he return to the field? No, he thinks he'll die if he in our gear. He says he won't become a hunter ether. Well, he has a family now. How is his son? HM. 2 years old. Alright. Love the risk level of retourner YOCCO SC stock. Super, si nous chauffons cela avec des pierres magiques, nous pourrons CR.ER quelque chose d'encore moins appétissant. C'est vrai, et tu as mentionné qu'il y avait d'autres cadeaux de la part de Nabi et Yoonsik. Nya. C'est excitant. Tondeuse gazon autonome sert aussi de chariot grande vitesse. Voyant Ourené avec la lettre d'excuse écrite par Aena, il y avait une tenue SP. Si à l'absorption de choc vinyle. De Yoonsik. Oz. J'aime à Mangagalaxy.me. Je vous pardonne. HM. Le temps est agréable et les enfants jouent bien. On ferme le restaurant aujourd'hui. Y est ce qu'il j'ai.re cet endroit comme un passe-temps ou quoi, ouverture et fermeture comme bon lui semble. Critique du restaurant du chasseur. La cuisine est magique et fantastique. Critique du restaurant du chasseur steak parce que la direction GN.ra la ordonne. De faire manger les chasseurs ici. Un aerme fruit. Des points Lika et l'odeur de graisse BR.L.es last ici. Qui rebondit sur les couteaux et les fourchettes. Les compétences flamboyantes du propriétaire avec la flamme sont un bonus si tu peux manger ce steak, tu pourrais peu au point TR utiliser la technique du dragon rouge. Critique du restaurant du chasseur. Cuisine magique et fantastique. Critique du restaurant du chasseur. Bol de riz. Au calmar, combien d'heures supplémentaires ai-je faites ces jours-ci? Bol de riz au calmar qui reste feed. L'essentiel, le go. Est authentique que les corps.ens ne peuvent nier si tu le manges. Avec du riz, ton bol sera vide en un rien de temps, excellent pour soigner les BR. Lure d'estomac, donc recommand. Pour ceux qui ont beaucoup de col.re et de m. Chancet. Un go. Et qui tue quand de mange de la nourriture qui cuit plus vite que la restauration rapide, besoin de r. Assistance au poison im. Diatement, je recommande Grimlock. Bien s.r. Si tu peux, le supporter critique du restaurant du chasseur, soupe chaude et les points équilibre du fromage, des champignons et de l'ail est parfait quanti. Infini, tu t'inquiètes de prendre du poids. Tu n'es pas seul. La nourriture des points licieuse n'a pas de calories, on dirait que je des points comme point le mon corps gèle. PRS d'une chemin en plein hiver, un plat qui assure ta chaleur et ta r. Cup. Ration, si tu manges ce plat, tu pourrais enlever ton manteau des points veloppe. Une application de critique pour promouvoir le restaurant. Commence vraiment me taper sur les nerfs. On ferme et on fait une pizza pour le des points Nero. Puisqu'on a un four, une pizza fraîchement cuite me semble une bonne idée. Je vais mettre beaucoup de garniture pour changer. Pipi. Co pizza ao. Est-ce que je dois retourner le panneau sur ferme? Ferme. Quoi? Oui. Si on a le temps, J1, tu voudrais te joindre nous. Si le patron veut fermer, qui suis-je pour discuter? Clos. La plus grande faiblesse de Wang J1 Lab. Quartier GN. Râle de Cyberdine, sous-sol, abri nucléaire. Ce type de paix, il a du courage. Il t'est toujours comme à quand on jouait des jeux ensemble, ce fichu B. Tard. Il boit cette chose comme un fou alors qu'il n'y a aucune garantie que à le gu. Rira et si c'est E. Empoisonne. L'eau. Ration à R. Uci. Le suc ST assure. Alors, va-t-il retourner sur le terrain? Non. Il pense qu'il mourra s'il entre dans une armure de guerre. Il dit qu'il ne deviendra pas non plus un chasseur. Eh bien, il a une famille maintenant. Quel GE a son fils HM? 2 ans. D'accord. J'adore le niveau de risque du revenant YOOCCO SC stock. PFFT. Vide. You think this doesn't swim at all, don't you? 7712 honestly, I've never seen someone who looks so out of place in an apron à judo, J1. You look much more fitting à un office worker or à consultant. Yes, you did well. How did you do? Pretty good, right? Even if you just stirred it. So then, what is the key to a good pizza? The dog. Mangagalaxy.org. You know your stuff. I may not be able to cook, but I'm an expert at eating. She sounds just like cry. Water proportion for the dog. Mix olive oil into the dog you need it. Too much make it greasy, too little make it dry, so be careful. Actually, Nabi is better at kneading the dog than I am, but she's resting right now, so we have no choice. Il Nabi. She's really good at it with her cat paw, ou. They say the secret to good cooking is the touch of the hand. A cat's touch is even better than a human's. Further a study that shows the jelly on terre par Max the dog taste better. Is that a credible study? Not at all, it's just my own theory. What is this? Boss, I can never tell if you're joking or being serious. Mangagalaxy.org. La. The dog kneading is done. Normally, the finished dog should be fermented for the next 2 hours, 2 hours. But today, ILL use a fermentation spell because I'm feeling lazy. There's nothing you can do, it seems. Now, just spray a little water with the spray and let it rest for about an hour, then it'll be ready. Hard it is with. Making pizza isn't easy. I think ILL just order pizza for the rest of my life. Mangagalaxy.org. Reset 10 mètres 1 mètre 10 mode. Then, shall we add the topping next? Yes chef. What topping do you prefer? Meat. Serious and dignifié. She's looking more and more like cry. How can they be so similar? How about cut the meat into small pieces? Beautiful. Then, what should I add? Mangagalaxy.org. This look good. The sweetness of it pineapple is kit exquisite. Of, ugh. Why would onion pu pineapple on pizza? Amic knew you would say that, cry. Ou. Cry. Who is that? Oh. I accidentally let that slip. They simila. There's someone among my colleague named cry. He said it out of habit. Colleague. Does that mean et thinks of me a close a colleague? Does it mean I am that trustworthy? Mangagalaxy.org. Certains